Hello everyone. Welcome back to my video. I hope you are happy and doing well. My name is Sarah, and today I will share my daily routine with you in simple and slow English. This video is not only for entertainment, but also for learning English easily. If you are learning English, then this video will help you improve your listening and speaking skills. My daily routine is simple, peaceful, and productive. I try to stay healthy, positive, and focused every day. So now, let's start my day together. Every day, I wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. I do not like waking up late because early mornings feel peaceful and fresh. When I wake up, I open my eyes slowly and look outside the window. The morning sunlight and fresh air make me feel calm and positive. I usually spend a few minutes relaxing before getting out of bed. After waking up, I thank God for another beautiful day. I believe starting the day with gratitude brings positivity and peace into life. I try to think good thoughts in the morning because a positive morning creates a positive day. Then, I go to the bathroom to freshen up. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for the day. Cold water on my face makes me feel fresh and active. It helps me wake up completely. After freshening up, I drink 1 glass of water. Drinking water early in the morning is very important for health. It gives energy to the body and helps me feel refreshed. Next, I do some light exercise and stretching. Sometimes I also do yoga or a short walk inside my room. Exercise keeps my body healthy and my mind relaxed. It also improves my mood and gives me positive energy for the whole day. After exercise, I prepare my breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I usually eat eggs, bread, fruits, and drink tea. Sometimes I also drink juice. Healthy food gives me strength and energy to work better throughout the day. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and plan my day. I write important tasks in my notebook. Planning helps me stay organized and productive. It also saves time and reduces stress. Then, I start my study and work. I try to focus completely and avoid distractions like unnecessary phone use. Sometimes I study English, and sometimes I work on my content creation. I believe hard work and consistency are very important for success. I practice English every day because I want to improve my communication skills. I learn new English words, meanings, and sentences. I also practice speaking slowly and clearly. Learning English takes time, but daily practice makes improvement easier. After working for some time, I take a short tea break. I sit near the window and relax my mind. Sometimes I listen to soft music or simply enjoy the peaceful moment. In the afternoon, I eat lunch and take a little rest. Healthy food helps me stay active and focused. After lunch, I relax for some time before starting work again. Then, I continue my work and focus on content creation. I enjoy making videos, editing clips, and learning creative ideas. Creating content makes me happy because I can share my ideas with people. In the evening, I go for a short walk outside. Fresh air and nature help me feel relaxed and peaceful. Watching the sunset and the beautiful sky makes me happy. At night, I spend time with my family. We talk together, laugh together, and enjoy simple moments. Family time is very important because it brings happiness and emotional peace. Before sleeping, I prepare my plans for the next day. I organize my things and think about my goals. Preparation helps me stay disciplined and motivated. Finally, I go to bed and sleep peacefully. Good sleep is very important for health, happiness, and energy. Sleeping on time helps me wake up fresh and active the next morning. So, this was my simple daily routine. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some easy English sentences too. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.